IDEC. Think automation and beyond. Push the limits of productivity. MicroSmart FC6A Plus PLCs can control large machines or entire small-scale manufacturing facilities with abundant features, an adaptive design, and smart technology that increases machine efficiency. Dual Ethernet ports provide flawless maintenance and control of your networks. Unmatched in the market, expand up to 2060 digital I/O. Handle complex process control applications with 511 analog I/O. Log and retrieve critical data using an SD memory card. Standard industrial protocols such as Modbus and BACnet is supported in the embedded Ethernet and serial ports. Modbus TCP and RTU client and server can be configured in the Ethernet or serial port. BACnet IP, a standard protocol for building automation, is supported in the embedded Ethernet port 1. The MicroSmart FC6A Plus is equipped with industrial IoT features that other Micro PLC can't come close. Configure MicroSmart FC6A Plus as an FTP client or server for data transfer. For remote access, download the free WindEdit Lite app from the Apple Store or Google Play. Wireless Bluetooth communicates between your MicroSmart FC6A Plus and PC or mobile device. Email and text notifications alert personnel to alarms or events. For more information, visit fc6a.idec.com.